Hey guys, what a hot weather today, and I do have very hot news too. My name is Kirill Shilov, I'm the founder and CEO of SkyDrones Technologies. We are a London-based company with core expertise in UV avionics for enterprise drone operations. After almost half a year in preparation, I am so glad to announce very exciting news today. SkyDrones was awarded government funding from Innovate UK Future Flight Challenge program for two absolutely revolutionary projects, ALIAS and Blueprint. We have also successfully completed another Future Flight Challenge project last year, which is called Project Rise, which made another step towards enabling the BVLOS flights in non-segregated airspace. And now we are looking forward to continuing the work with our amazing experienced consortium partners to implement our ideas within ALIAS and Blueprint to build an agile drone transportation system and UTM services to enable trusted, safe, and scalable BVLOS flights across the UK and abroad. 17 brilliant projects with total worth of funding of more than £100 million will bring drone industry to new heights. So do stay tuned for more updates from SkyDrones. Stay cool during these days, during this hot summer, and bye-bye.